Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. In today's video, we'll show you how to send emails in Linux using an API. System administrators of the free and open source operating system kernel Linux can easily send emails through the command line using different methods. For this video, we'll be focusing on sending emails via an API. If you want to learn how to send via an SMTP service and various command line tools available in the ecosystem, give our other videos a watch. To do the email sending, we'll need a bash script and the email API offered by the Mailtrap email delivery platform. So, before you start, make sure you add and verify your domain with Mailtrap. Now let's get into writing the bash script. First, you'll need to retrieve the Mailtrap email sending email API credentials for your domain. These credentials can be found by navigating to the Sending Domains tab and then to SMTP/API settings. As Mailtrap offers two sending streams, one for transactional and one for bulk emails, select the stream you want to use for your project. Copy the credentials from the appropriate API tab and save them in an easily accessible location, as you'll shortly be pasting them into your email sending script. For the script, we'll write one in bash that sends an email formatted in JSON. This script should consist of assigning the value of your Mailtrap email API token to a variable named API key, making a POST request to the Mailtrap email API endpoint with curl, adding a header to the POST request for authorization, adding a header that indicates that the data being sent with the request is in JSON format, and defining the data payload of the POST request, which in our case consists of the sender and recipient details, the subject, and the body of the email. Once finalized, save your script as a .sh file, or in other words, a script file. Then go back to the Linux command line and execute the script. If no errors occur, you should receive a success message and your email should shortly land in the recipient's inbox. With that, we wrap up this tutorial on sending emails in Linux via an API. To learn how to send via SMTP and do email testing in Linux, check out our dedicated tutorials. The links are waiting for you in the description. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.